This incredible 4,300 square foot property sits on over 4 acres of land. Includes 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, and 2 office spaces. Welcome to this 2008 Craftsman house. Let me show you the features of this property. We have engineered bamboo flooring and amazing oak wood throughout the house. Spacious living room with lots of natural light and 1 out of the 3 fireplaces. Luxury kitchen with granite countertops. Professional gas range and hammered copper sink. Large primary bedroom with a private balcony.